Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. I'm glad to have you here. So as we begin, today we'll be showing you how you can use a bot to recover losses or how you can set up martingale. How do you do it? So the first thing is to come and upload your bot. So just head over to Deriv Bot, and then if you're using a computer or a laptop, go to my computer. But if you're using a phone, go to local in Deriv Bot. You will see the local option, click on it. So I'll come here and upload my bot of my choice. So I'll click on XML, and then I will head over to let me come and select my bot. So I will use CandleMine. All right. Now, for those who are using CandleMine bot, this is how CandleMine should look. CandleMine 22, okay? Just click on it and then click on open. After you have done that, this is what the bot will look like. Just click on open. After you've done that, now you have successfully imported your bot. Now, this is how you use a bot to recover. The first thing is obviously to come and select your market derived. Okay, let me minimize the screen so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, yeah, I hope you can see it now more clearly. Yeah, I hope it is more visible. Now you come and select your market. So it is derived, obvious, continuous indices, because you're trading volatilities. If you want to trade any other market, come and choose it. Volatility, I told you to trade 1S, so I'll select a random market, let's say volatility 10 1S. And then trade type digits, let me use matches and differs in this video. And then contract type, I will select differs. And then candle interval. In all your bots, make sure the candle interval is 1 minute. And then the stop loss, you can come and say, I don't want to lose 500. No, I don't want to lose $20. If I lose $20, I want the bot to stop. Now just write here 20, okay? And then you say, the profit I want today is only $50. Come and write it here. And then the initial amount is the amount that you want the bot to begin with. So you can say $10. And then the win amount. Okay, the win amount is the amount the bot will continue using if you undergo a win. Okay, so I can just put the same $10. And then martingale. Martingale, I can say, now this is where I want you to understand. Martingale is telling the bot, if I undergo a loss, increase my amount by a certain amount of number. Like here, in this example, I've told my bot, if I undergo a loss, all right, if I undergo a loss, I want you to increase my amount, my trading amount 11 times. So if I have $10, when I undergo a loss, it will become $110. I hope you've understood that. If you have, let's say, $10 and you put 2, when you undergo a loss, the bot will put in $20 instead of $10. And that is what we call martingale. Martingale is basically recovery for the bot. You're telling the bot, if I undergo a loss, please double or triple or whatever amount you put in. So even I can come and put 11 because differs can set you back when you undergo a profit. So you can put 11. So basically you're telling the bot, if I undergo a loss of $10, I want you to use $110 to recover my $10. I hope you have all understood that point. Yeah, so that is basically martingale. I hope you understand this point, martingale. Martingale, understand it. Make sure the tick in your bot is 1. Many people can tell you that they will sell you bots that will analyze the market. That is false. There is no bot, and I repeat, there is no bot in the Deriv that can analyze the market. I repeat again, there is no bot in the Deriv that can analyze the market. What they do to trick you is they'll come here to ticks, and then they'll put, let's say, 20 ticks. All right. Now, when you put a trade, let's say they put let me put 10. Okay. Now, when you put a trade, the bot will start running, but it will not execute a trade. You will be thinking that it is scanning the market, but no, it is the ticks which are counting. So guys, avoid that. This tick should be 1. Whenever you are told that a bot will analyze the market, they usually just tamper with the ticks, and then they lie to you that they are selling you a bot that can analyze the market. Okay, so martingale is the most important thing I want you to understand today, and martingale is mostly found in CandleMine version 2, because many bots are derived from CandleMine version 2, like dollar printer bot. When you go and compare dollar printer bot and CandleMine version 2, they are the same. It is just the name they have changed. Okay, you can even now just pause the video and go and compare. all major bots are derived from Candomine version 2 because Candomine version 2 was one of the original bots that was developed in Deriv. Okay, the original developers developed this bot. So it is one of the, many bots use the skeleton of Candomine version 2. That's why I've used it in this video. Okay, the martingale of this bot is one which works amazingly. As you can see, I've put $11. Martingale, I've set it. And yeah, that's basically how you, now when you execute a trade, let me execute mine. So I've set a random market, I've not analyzed. All right, I just come, as you can see, it is the same thing. Now for dollar printer bot, it is usually a different message, but the same thing. Just press on OK. And it will start executing. As you can see, it is a win on the first trade. It is a win on the second trade. I want it to undergo a loss so that you can see how it can recover. At the third trade, as you can see, it is a Candomine is a very amazing bot. Okay, that's a loss. Now I want you to see how it will recover. As you can see, another loss. Now I want you to see how it can recover again. Now, I know most of you are wondering what has just happened. Now, whenever the Candomine version 2 can only undergo 2 losses. Whenever it undergoes 2 losses, it shifts back to the original amount. Okay, that's why I tell you, when trading differs, use an amount you can afford to lose. As you can see, it has undergone 2. Yeah, is it 2 losses? Yeah, 2. That's because, okay, oh, sorry. Remember guys, what I told you, before you run a bot, I forgot to set my last digit. That's what it has cost me, because I've set differs, but I did not set the last digit. So it is, that's why I've undergone a loss, because we are not supposed to have undergone a loss until now, because if you have set a prediction of 1, we will not have undergone any loss. So this loss is a result of us not setting a prediction. So that's why I'm usually telling you, be very careful. Make sure the trade type is correct, contract type is correct, the default candle interval is correct, make sure the duration is correct, make sure the initial amount, make sure everything is correct, and most importantly, the prediction. So what I'll do, I will reset the bot. That's why I tell you to test your strategies in a demo, so that you can see where am I going wrong. As you can see, for the first instance, I've forgotten to set the prediction. So I will set my prediction to 1 and make sure everything else is correct, and then now run. I want you to see how it can recover. So that's a win. I want you to see how it works. And make sure when you trade matches and differs, you have let's say a big account, like matches and differs. Now that's a loss. I want you to see how it can recover. Now it will go, yeah, as you can see, it has undergone a recovery. Now this is what you call recovery. I've undergone a loss of $10, but it has recovered the whole amount with the next trade, okay, by applying martingale. That is what is called martingale. Martingale is basically telling the bot to recover your loss by doubling or increasing your initial stake by a certain amount. All right, and that's it. It is very basically, it's a beautiful thing in a bot, because you don't need to panic about anything. You just come and set. If you have, let's say, a $10 account, you can apply a stake of 0.35 and a martingale of 11, so that if you undergo a loss of 0.35, it will put in, let's say, $5, and then you'll recover your 0.35 and get some profit. As you can see, let me stop the bot. As you can see, I've undergone a profit of $15 in just 15 runs. And as you can see, I underwent a loss of $10, but it recovered and gave me a profit of $1.87. Okay? So that is basically how martingale works and how you can recover your initial amount using a bot. So guys, go practice it, go apply it. It works very well, especially in even odd, over, under, in any market. All right? So go practice it. It is called Candomine version 2. Okay? I repeat, Candomine version 2. I will provide it in my WhatsApp group, and if you want it personally, my number is in the bio as always. Come and ask for the bot. Yeah, so that's basically how the bot works. I hope you'll go test it. Go and test in demo. I told you to go and test on demo first, okay? Yeah, that's it, guys. Please subscribe. It really encourages me to keep researching for you guys. And yeah, keep trading, keep persisting. Don't give up. Trading is an up and down journey, but at the end, you'll be on top of the mountain. Okay, keep pushing and keep working. Thank you, guys, and good luck.